Minimal pairs are two words which sound the same apart from one sound. If you change the sound, the word changes. It's great for practicing listening for sounds your child finds tricky. Put the two words out and say the words to your child. Key, tea. Ask them to close their eyes. Hide a picture under the word. When your child opens their eyes, tell them where the picture is hiding. See if they can find it. Key. You can use cued articulation if your child finds listening tricky. You can practice the game in different ways to keep the practice fun.